Namaste everyone, my name is Sissir Regmi and welcome to Journey to Austria YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about the math assessment questions which will be asked during the interview of University of Applied Science Upper Austria. So before issuing offer letter, they took interview and the math assessment. So this part, interview and math assessment is very important. We will discuss about interview in next video. So in this video, we are going to discuss about only math assessment questions. I'm going to make this video because when I was giving that test, when I was preparing, there wasn't a single question or there wasn't a single video in the YouTube uh, about the questions, what type of questions will be asked and the pattern of the question. So I was very confused. So I'm making this video. I was very confused, and I request International Foundation Program team to take a pre-math assessment before final math assessment. So I have lots of questions from pre-math assessment to the final math assessment. So we are going to discuss first pre-math assessment questions, then we will discuss official math assessment questions which are asked during my final interview. So both are official questions. So we have a lot of questions today and we will discuss one by one. So it is the first question and it is the very simplest question of the math. This is the simplify. So 7 minus 4, I think 3, and it's multiplied by 3 plus 4 minus 3, 1, that 2 plus 4. So the rule is at first we do small bracket. You know the both mass rule, BODMAS, both mass rule of simplify. So 3, 3 and 9 plus 1 multiplied by 2, 2 plus 4. So 9, 10 and it's 15. So the correct answer is 15 and you have to tick this 15 option. And here is the next question, and the question is calculate 5 minus 4 multiplied by 3 plus 4 minus 3 multiplied by 2. So the solution will be 5 minus 4, 1, dot 3 plus 4 minus 3, it's 1 again, dot 2. So 3 plus 2 is actually 5. So this is the correct. So it is the third question, and the question is 9 minus 3 dot 7 minus 6 plus 3 plus 3 dot 3 minus 3 minus 1. So at first we need to do small bracket. So 9 minus 3 is 6 and dot 7 minus 6 it's 1 plus 3 plus 3 it is 6 dot 3 minus 3 is 0 minus 1. So 6 dot 1 6 dot 0 it's 0 minus 1 and 5 final answer. So the correct answer is 5. So here is the next question, and the question is find x. 6x plus 3 is equal to 33. So this is the equation based question and this is the linear equation. So we have to solve this question. First of all, 6x is equal to 33 minus 3. This plus goes to minus when it goes to uh, other side of the equal to. So 6x is equal to its 30. So x is equal to 5. 6, 5 is the 30. So 5 is the official answer. So this is the correct answer. And let's go to the next question, and that is find x. So 7x plus 3 is equal to 52. So this is also the equation based question. 5 to minus 3 and 7x is equal to it's 49 and x is equal to 49 by 7 and x is equal to 7, so it's 49. So this is the correct answer and this is the correct option. So here is the next question, and the question is find x. 6x minus 6 is equal to 44 minus 4x. So let's take this minus 4x to this side and minus 6x to this side, and it will be 6x plus 4x is equal to 44 plus 6. This minus goes to plus and this minus here became plus. So 6x 4x it's 10x and 44 plus 6 is actually 50. 10x is equal to 50 and we know 50 by 10 is actually x is equal to 5. So 5 is the correct answer. and this is the correct option. So these questions might look very simple and very easy, but these are the official questions, and this type of question will be asked to you. But the digit can be different, like here can be 8x or here can be 9x, or this digit can be different, but the format will be absolutely same. I faced the same exam, and I also talked to my friends who gave this exam, and they also told me that similar types of questions was asked to them. So don't be confused. Practice this type of question. You will be absolutely fast. So let's move to the next question. So it is the seventh question, and the question is 6x minus 6 is equal to 4 plus 4x. This is also a very simple question. So plus 4x will be minus 4x. So 6x minus 4x is equal to this minus, if goes to here, and then it will be plus. So 4 plus 6, and 6x minus 4x is actually 2x, and it's 6 for 10, and we know x is equal to 5. So this is the correct answer, and this is the correct option. So let's move to the next question, and the question is find x. So 20 by x is minus 2 is equal to 3. So let's take LCM first. Minus 2x x is equal to 3. So I took LCM here, and this denominator x goes to here, and it will be multiplied. So 20 minus 2x is equal to 3x, or 20 is equal to 3 plus 2x. It's 3x plus 2x, and 20 is equal to, it's actually 3x, 2x. So it will be 5x, and 5 fours are 20, and the correct answer is 5 fours are 20. This is the correct answer, and this is the correct option. So let's move to the next question, and the question is 3 by x plus 2 is equal to 3. So let's take LCM first. 3 plus 2x by x is equal to 3, and it will be 3 plus 2x is equal to 3x, and 3 is equal to x. This plus goes to minus, and 3x minus 2x is equal to x. So the correct answer is x is equal to 3x, 3, and this is the correct option. So questions are very simple. So here is the question number 10, and the question is a rectangular field is 20 meters long and 40 meters wide. What is its area in meter square? So they are asking the area of this field, and we know the area of any field or any area formula is L into B. So here a length L is 20 meter, and the breadth or wide is 30 meter. So area will be L into B, and it will be 20 into 30, and it will be 600 meter square. So this is the correct answer. So here is the next question, and this question is 11th question, and the question is find y. So the question is y by x plus 1 is equal to 2, and here is the next equation, x plus 2y is equal to 12. So basically we can solve this question by multiplying. Let's suppose this equation 1 and this is equation 2. So from equation 1, so it will be y plus x is equal to 2x, and y is equal to x. When this x goes to there, like 2x minus x, and y will be x. So putting this y is equal to x in equation second, so this is the equation second from II. So y is equal to x, so x, you have to find y. So let's write y in terms of x. Y plus 2y is equal to 12, and 3y is equal to 12 and y is equal to 3 4 the 12. So the value of y is 4. So this is the correct answer. So basically these are linear equation and there are different methods we can solve this linear equation. Or I solved by substituting method. We can solve by elimination method also. So this is very easy. And here is next question. So we have to solve this question. You already know. Let's solve this question by elimination method. So minus 3x plus 3x, this cancel. So 3y 3y, it's 6y, right? Is equal to 12 0, it's 12. So 6y is equal to 12 and y is equal to 2. So this is the correct answer. I solved this by elimination method. If you are having problem, then you can do comment. I will answer. I will reply your comment. So here is the next question: 3y 3y 2x 2x. So just add these two equations. So minus 2x plus 2x, this got this eliminate. So 3y 3y, it's 6y is equal to 6 and y is equal to 1. So this is the correct answer.
So this is the rough copy that I had used during my final math assessment, and you can see here this question number one, the 7.3 minus 5.2 plus 5. Actually, this is the second step of the question. So that the first step of the questions might be 5 plus 2, it's 7, then dot 3 minus 2 plus 3 is actually 5 dot 2 plus 5. So you can get idea of this question by looking the second step of this question. So this was the first question and this was the second question. Second question 2 dot 14 minus 1 dot 3 minus 3. So this was the second question, and likewise this is the third question, 10x is equal to 60. So questions was very simple. And likewise question number 4, so these mm, questions like there might be two equations and we have to find the value of y. So you can see here y is equal to 0. So we can solve two equations easily by using elimination method or substituting method. So try to understand how to solve two equations and get value of x and y. So this was question number 4, and question number 5 might be 2 plus a plus 2b is equal to 4c. So we have to find the value of a. So was the question. So you can easily separate the value of a, and the value of a will be of 2c minus b by 2. So here is the next question, question number 8, and the question number 8 is 4a plus 2b by 4 is equal to c. This is the second step of that question number 8 question. So you can also get the idea by looking the second step also. So 4a plus 2b is equal to 4c, and we have to find the value of a here. So this was the correct option, c minus b by 2. So question number 9 is 2a plus 3a by 5c plus 5b is equal to 1. This was the original question, and this is the second step. So we have to find the value of c from this question. Question number 10 and 11 was from derivative, and they are slightly different than other questions. But don't worry, questions was very simple. And the question was d by dx, x square by 10 was the question, and we have to solve. And we can easily solve this derivative by using power rule. And this is the solution, 1 by 10 to 2x. This x square becomes 2x, and the final answer is x by 5. So this next question, and uh, the next question was d by dx, x square by 5x. So you can easily solve this question also by using power law or power rule. So x square becomes 2x and 5x becomes 5. So you can use nx and minus 1 rule to solve this problem, and the final answer is 2x plus 5. So these were the official questions which was asked during my final math assessments, and I already discussed about the pre-math assessment questions. So I hope you are very clear, crystal clear about the math assessment, uh, what type of question will be asked. So still, if you have any doubts, then you can comment below. I will reply your queries. So thank you guys.